What's it called?
It's called Saint Paul de Vence.
Saint Paul de Vence.
Beautiful French accent you have.
Merci beaucoup, Eunice.
We booked a French Riviera highlights trip with Viator. One of those highlights was Saint Paul de Vence.
Hello everyone, here we are at the beautiful Saint Paul de Vence.
Welcome to the channel, guys. If you enjoy our content, please hit that like and subscribe button. One of the oldest medieval towns on the French Riviera, Saint Paul de Vence is well known for its art museums and galleries. The village was fortified in the 13th century. These medieval walls encircle narrow streets and capture the heritage of more than 1,000 years. Whilst exploring, we found this place for a bite to eat. The food, the service and the location were great. Right, so lunch is ordered. Here we go. So I'm going to ask Lisa, what have we got here?
Okay, so we've got a lovely salad niçoise, beautiful salad there, niçoise, huge. And then we've got a delicious pizza with mozzarella and goat's cheese. Looks divine.
Lovely. We better tuck in as we're on the time clock.
Bon appetit.
Each year there are 2.5 million visitors, so it can get quite crowded, especially during the busy season from May through to September. The town is only 300 metres long by 100 metres wide. It's fairly level except for a few staircases. So it's effortless to walk around and see the entire village. You could spend hours wandering through the medieval maze and be endlessly fascinated. Whilst the ancient stone buildings are the main attraction, the cobblestone paving of St Paul is also a major work of art in itself. Perfectly composed mosaic of smooth pebbles in endless patterns. So be sure to look down and admire as you stroll through the streets.
If you have enjoyed our video, then please like and subscribe to our channel.